New York City is dead forever. That was the proclamation from some last year when sidewalks across the city emptied and many small businesses closed their doors for good. But new data today shows a reawakening. April saw the highest number of new rentals in Manhattan on record, more than 9,000. And rental prices down 21%, with landlords offering an average of 2 months free rent. Many are seizing on that as an opportunity to both live in the city and save some money at the same time. CNBC's Robert Frank has their story.
When the pandemic caused many New Yorkers to move out, New Jersey native Robbie LaDove moved in.
I kind of spent my whole life drooling at the skyline and dreaming of the day that I'd finally be able to live here.
After graduating during the pandemic, Robbie landed a job in real estate and started scouring the web for rentals in a pricey section of Manhattan.
When I walked into this unit, the 19th apartment that I saw, I just thought that the deal was too good to pass up.
Pre-pandemic, this 2-bedroom apartment went for $7,500 a month. Robbie and his roommate got it for $5,500, saving $2,000 a month.
I was able to move into Manhattan and get an amazing apartment for a great deal.
When Chicago native Greg Franklin scored a consulting job in the Big Apple, he immediately started looking for a place to live.
And me and my brother hated the idea of paying rent. We thought, okay, well, if we're going to pay $2,000 a month, we might as well get some of that back.
Instead of renting, the two brothers decided to buy, taking advantage of soft prices and super low mortgage rates. Pre-pandemic, the median sale price of a 1-bedroom in Manhattan was almost $700,000. The brothers found this one listed for $530,000 in Midtown, and they signed a deal at $500,000, saving $30,000. Their monthly costs are a little higher than renting, but
we're fine with paying a little bit more than what we would have paid for rent because we see it as a way of savings.
I started seeing moving trucks in my neighborhood. People were leaving the city for good.
After renting in New York City for more than 15 years, journalist Frank DeLella saw an opportunity to finally buy. He found this 1-bedroom that listed for $539,000 pre-pandemic and bought it for $425,000. $114,000 in savings left plenty of money to renovate the Upper West Side digs.
A whole new paint job in the entire apartment. We redid the floors.
He also adopted a tiny roommate during COVID, and little Alfie is thrilled with his new home, too.
I truly love the space, and it's an investment, and it's a steal.
And Frank is not alone. So far this year, there have been 6,300 contracts signed in Manhattan. That's according to Serhant. It is a 50% increase from 2019 before the pandemic. Discounts in the market also shrinking, now at the lowest levels since 2018. Carl?
Robert Frank, thanks.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.